You are welcome to part 2 of this video on how to create basement floor in Revit. What we'll be doing in this video is we'll be creating a ramp that will take the vehicle smoothly into the basement floor. So I'll go to this site plan and I'm going to go to massing and site. I will pick topo surface, then I will pick point. I'll make sure the elevation is at 4,000 because the level here is 4,000. So I'm going to drop 1 point here and 1 point here. Then I am going to reduce it to negative 4,000 and drop 1 point around here. And let me finish it and see how it look like. Okay, now you see how it look like. Let me edit it and go to site. I need 1 more point. Let me drop 1 somewhere here and 1 somewhere here. Let me move this one from here to somewhere here. Then let me try and move this one somewhere here, and I can also move this one here. And let me see what, just to make sure that the ramp is smooth. Okay, now you see it's somehow smooth now. Can you see that? The ramp is somehow smooth. Oh, it's not smooth enough. Okay, since it's not smooth enough, I'm going to add 1 more point to make sure that it is smooth. Let me drop another point. This time around I can make it something like 3,000. Let me drop a point that is 3,000 somewhere here. Okay, that one has raised this point a bit. Now let's see it in 3D and see. Okay, it's better now. Now you see that the slope is a bit smooth now. Okay, and that is that. So the next thing is you will need to create handrail around it. You can also build steps around it. Okay, so that is how you can create or model basement floor in Revit. You can decide to change the material to anything you want. If you want to change it to glass, but you have to you need to separate them. In the next training, I will show you guys how you can separate them. That is, you'll be able to model grass and pavement using this topo surface, and you can even model curbs from topo surface. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.